Hey guys, so let's get into it. So this is going to be today's recap. Today's date is 10/8/2024. So this is the daily time frame as you can see. So this is Tuesday. This is Tuesday, so we're going to use Monday. So this was Monday's low. Okay, so that's Monday's low, and this is Monday's high. Sorry. Okay, Monday's high, Monday's low. Sorry, I'm just like I readjusted my chart, so now everything is all kind of like that, but that's fine. So if you go to the 4 hour, we can pretty much see the price action that happened today on the 4 hour. What was kind of weird to me was so this being Monday, right? So as you can see, the high and the low was taken out. So I personally was thinking, so the low was taken out first. So I was thinking we were just going to continue down, but I guess the market had all the plans. So then faked us out and then went back towards the upside. So you can see the price action. Okay, so you can see this huge bullish momentum on the 1 hour all the way towards the upside. And you can see this one as well. Price action 15. So this is today's price action right here. Yep. So this is everything that happened today. This is everything that happened today. Let's go down to 2 minute time frame, which is what we prefer to trade on. So the first thing we see over here is a breaker structure to the upside. Yep. Breaker structure to the upside. First, let's go back. So what we should notice after this breaker structure happened, this is the 15 minute time frame, by the way. After this breaker structure happened, we have this order block over here. And if we see the market came back to tap into this order block, play around. So this was kind of all like just a whole lot of mess, rubbish, if you will. So I did take this trade, and what I did take on this trade was pretty much, after this breaker structure, just I just kind of scalped this whole move over here. Got taken out over there. It was actually a beautiful trade. One contract almost got taken out for like 1,300 on that trade. But I mean, this was a really good trade. This could be in a 1-to-1, just a quick scalp. Stop us at that low over there. You know, so you'd made risk $800 to make. $800. If you were the micros, you'd be risking $400 to make $400. So that was one of the moves that happened right there. Then we had this huge push to the upside. So we can use this just so people can see, because this is a valid breaker structure, because you can see the body wicks, the body that closed above the wicks of breaker structure over there. And then we have this move play around and push back up to the upside. So the best way to have judged this would probably have been to use the Fibonacci retracement. Okay. So we did not get a 50% move at all or anything. We just had a little pushback, then a continuation. So you could kind of tell today's market wasn't giving us any retest. So I mean, same thing pretty much would have happened in this situation over here. This breaker structure happened. Breaker structure happened over here on this market structure. I'm sorry, I forgot to draw this out for you guys. So order block over here as well. Order block here as well. So, I mean, the best thing you could have done on this one would be pretty much what we did earlier here. So, as soon as we took out that high, you could just go for an easy scalp again. Stop loss at this low over here. 1-to-1. Like I said, this would have been same thing. Depending on whatever your risk is, that's what you would do on this trade. So I mean, a 1-to-1 right there, that would pretty much been easy scalp. Um, the good thing about this is the market did come back to retest this order block and then continue to push back up towards the upside, as you guys can see. So this is still Monday's high. We came out early, took out Monday's high. Market came back to consolidate into this order block over here, then decided to push up. There are multiple ways you could have looked at this. So we had this huge breaker structure happen right here. Oops, sorry. So we had this breaker structure happen right here. Okay. So I mean, you could have entered right there in this order block, 1%, 0.5. Because I didn't take this trade because I wasn't too sure if this was gonna hold after all this mess that happened over here. I wasn't too sure you could have targeted this high. Now, all of this I'm saying is just from foreshadowing because I can see it already happened, so I can say this is what you could have done. But I didn't take this trade. So as you can see, enter right here. You could take that this first buy side over there for a 1 to 2, then targeted this whole move up plus a daily low, but that is something to pay attention in. I wasn't really looking at the chart at this time. I think I was out 12-16. So something that we could have done is we could have looked for scalps in here. So I mean, we had down, down, up, up, down, down, up. So yeah, this this is gonna be the entry for us right here, right there. This little enter right there. Right there. Because this candle's high was taken out by this candle. So you put your stop loss underneath the second low of this candle. As you guys can see, the market played out, and you could target this whole move over here for scalps. Um, Something else that you could have paid attention to was this order block we had here. So this held. This one did also hold as well as you can see, market pushed up, played around, came back into here, then pushed back up, came back, tapped into here, then pushed back up again. And then we have this, this whole order block system over here as well. So 50% retracement. We didn't get 50% retracement. Market played around then pushed up. So I guess something we could have done in this bar was, let me go ahead and draw this out so you guys can see the breaker structure happen right here. So that happened. Then we could be looking at this as well. Breaker structure that happened. Okay. I mean, I guess since we didn't get a 50% retracement, I guess we could have done the same, 1-to-1 scalp. Yep, no 50% retracement. So at the breaker structure right there, stop loss all the way at this low. 1-to-1 right there. And then we have this order block over here. Let's do this too. Okay, order block over there, and I was never retested. This gives a retracement. Okay, no retracement over there. And we have this breaker structure that happened right here. Okay. Breaker structure happened right there. See if we got a retracement. We did get a retracement. There were some scalping opportunities in here, and there were some long trade opportunities in here. So I mean, pretty much after seeing this whole move down, I think this would have been a good point. Take a long trade over here, stop loss under the low. I mean, could have targeted this high 1 to 2, and you could just keep going as long, depending on how your system is. I personally think I would have targeted this high and just kind of started scalping and see what would have happened with the whole trade. But those were the opportunities we pretty much had today, guys. I mean, today's market was beautiful and yet tricky at the same time. So it was a nice system. I mean, we still had this broker structure that happened here as well, but this was later during the day. I wasn't looking at the market at all. Yep. So it just keeps going. Then we had this as well. He never came back. As you can see, played around. Market structure shift, change, whatever you want to call it, breaker structure. Then we started heading towards the downside over here. So, and you can see everything that happened. But yeah, so this is pretty much what we had today. Please, I hope you guys liked the video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.